The United Nations and the United States have joined human rights groups to criticize Malaysia after the government defied a court order not to repatriate a group of Myanmar nationals pending a judicial review. Activists say the group of over 1,000 include refugees, asylum seekers, women and children.
The group departed on Tuesday on Myanmar Navy ships from a military base in Lumut Perak. Hours before the deportation, the Kuala Lumpur High Court ordered it to be temporarily halted to allow a legal challenge from rights group that had fiercely criticized the plan. State Department spokesman Ned Price said the US was concerned about the move and urged all countries in the region to halt any repatriation of Myanmar nationals until the UNHCR can assess whether these migrants have any protection concerns.
What should be our main concern when looking at this issue? We speak to Lilianne Fan, co-founder and international director of Geutanyoe Foundation.
We need to remember that this issue is not actually about Myanmar. It's not only about Myanmar. It's really about the issue of protection of refugees and asylum seekers, and the fact that no country should be returning asylum seekers and refugees to a country where they would face persecution or face a risk to their lives. I think it's important to state that concerns that are being raised about the protection of asylum seekers and refugees in this particular deportation, as well as others, in the future, this is not a position against the immigration and a lack of acknowledgement about the mandate of the immigration and the role and responsibility that the immigration department has. I think that we need to be very clear that this is an issue about ensuring that the immigration department and the immigration procedures actually have adequate procedures in place to ensure that protection is put in place for persons of concern, persons who could be vulnerable.